Well, good afternoon, everybody. We're doing a pump truck job here. We're doing 30 yards. I believe it's footings for a new house on the lake. Right now, he's just priming up his pump truck. Back on one of these little private roads along Lake Huron. Do a little bit of raining off and on. Kind of slowed up our day a little bit, but it's starting to pick back up. We're going to show you guys the priming part. You put a packet in there of some kind of a mix. Then you put a bunch of water in it. And once it starts to be primed up, I'll put some concrete in. And away we go. I got 10 yards of concrete on my truck and 2 more trucks following behind. Just gave me a signal to start putting some mud in. Fairly simple procedure. Hopefully everybody's day is going good. Honking the horn means stop. When he's ready to go again, he'll start honking again. Got a 20-minute gap between trucks, so apparently they don't plan on pouring very quickly. Some of these pump jobs, when they really get going, you can unload a truck in 5 minutes or less. Those are the ones we like. But you take them as they come. I would show you guys Lake Huron, but there's too much stuff in the way. I got an RV and then the pump truck all blocking the view. It'll be an overcast, a little bit of the lake I can see. You can't tell the difference between it and the sky. I was here last year, and we did that. There's a little creek back behind that shed. Comes right out to this private road. There's another house back there, and a couple more behind me. It's not a lot on this road. Grates across the opening are to catch any big chunks that might have slipped through. Very rarely we ever see anything on it. Hopefully I didn't just jinx myself. But if anything big gets in there, it can plug up the pump truck. They call those grates grizzly bars. Hopefully everyone can hear me okay. This spot started off as a vacation area for the people building, and now they decided to build an actual house here. You get that a lot along the lake here. Not to let the hopper get empty, but you also don't want to overfill it either and make a mess. It's pumping it out pretty good right now. stop again. Show you the rest of the site, I guess. There's the lake back there. You can kind of make out the spot where the lake meets the sky. That's what they were staying in, or still are. Some of the building materials here. Oh, he started pumping without honking the horn. As long as I don't let the hopper get empty, we're good. And then when I run out of concrete, I'll honk my horn twice, and that'll signal him to stop. Starting to hear my truck rattle a little bit. I'm down to my last 2 yards. Getting close. Less than a yard left, and we stop again. He just has to reposition for the next part. Just moving that boom around. By the time we fire up, I should be just about empty. Hopefully it gets going pretty soon. I still got to wash out before the next truck gets here. There's only room for one truck at a time on this road. He honks the horn and then doesn't pump. There we go. He's just lucky I pay attention. come empty. That's all there is to a pump truck job. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys have a great day. Comment below if there's anything else you'd like a full-length video on. Most of them be pretty boring or pretty long, but try to film the faster ones. Have a great day.